In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Tradingview background to white 2025. If you prefer a clean paper-like look for your charts, want brighter screenshots, or just find white easier on the eyes during the day, this quick walkthrough will get you there in seconds. Start by opening Tradingview and loading any chart you're working on. Make sure the chart area is visible on your screen. Now place your cursor anywhere over the chart itself, not on the side panels or toolbars. This matters because the next menu we need only appears when you're actually hovering over the chart. Once your cursor is on the chart, perform a right click. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. This opens the context menu you'll use to access your chart's appearance settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel, where all your visual and behavior preferences live. On the left side of this panel, look for the section labeled Canvas and click it. Canvas is where Tradingview groups background, grid, and session visuals, so this is exactly where we need to be for a background change. Within the Canvas section, find the background option. You'll see a small square showing the current color. That square is the color picker shortcut. Click the square to open the color picker. A palette will appear letting you select preset swatches or fine-tune colors. To make your chart background white, choose the white swatch. If you're using a slider or spectrum, just drag to the top left of the picker where pure white sits. You'll usually see the chart preview update immediately, which helps you confirm the change looks right with your candles, indicators, and drawings. When the background looks good, click OK to finalize. If you see an apply button instead, clicking it will also confirm the change without closing the panel. After that, close the settings window and return to your chart. You should now have a crisp white background that makes price action and annotations pop. A couple of quick tips to help you get the most from this look. If your grid lines or session breaks feel too bold against white, remember, those options are in the same Canvas section for easy fine-tuning later. Also, if your right-click menu didn't appear, double-check that you're clicking on the chart area itself or try the two-finger click on a trackpad. That's it. Simple, fast, and easy. Enjoy your new white Tradingview background and happy charting.